Alright, so we've got here an enormous box, and it contains our QNAP TS-1886XU-RP-D1622-8G, which is a really long model name for basically a NAS with 8 GB of RAM and some really cool features that supports built-in 2.5-inch SSD drives, 3.5-inch traditional drives, and the ability to expand it with M2 SSD drives via a PCI expansion card, and it has dual 10 gigabit Ethernet. So really excited to get this open and check it out. Now, let's dig into it, shall we? Alright, so box is open. Let's have a look inside this cardboard box first and see what we've got. I'm assuming basically this will be everything bar the NAS itself. So we've got our extended warranty information card here. We have a quick install guide for the NAS. We have a warranty card. We've got 2 power cables, which is important because this is meant to have a redundant power supply. So we've got 2 power cables, a bag of screws, and then 2 Ethernet cables, which look to be Cat 5e cables. So that's what's coming in our little box of accessories here. Let's get the NAS out. That makes it a lot easier to get out. There's quite a bit of weight in this machine, as you might expect. This is the NAS itself and everything that came in the box with it. So just to confirm, running through that, we've got the whole NAS unit. We also have the warranty card, quick install guide, extended warranty info, 2 Cat 5e Ethernet cables, bunch of screws to go with all the drive bays, and 2 power cables there. One thing I will note is this is a 2U size NAS, so it'll take up 2 slots in your rack, so you need to make sure you have that many. However, it does not come as standard as rack mountable. On the front, these bits are actually just plastic. Yeah, you probably don't want those being all that's holding this potentially really heavy unit. I mean, it's heavy enough on its own, but by the time you fill this with 12 3.5-inch SATA drives, plus 6 2.5-inch SSDs, plus potentially some other keys, like there's going to be a lot of weight in this. So on its own, it's actually already about 14.5 kilos without any drives in it. So by the time you add drives, you're potentially looking at in excess of 20 kilos. Now, if you do want to make this rack mountable, you will need to get a Rail B02 kit, which is a separate add-on, and it looks something like this. And so basically these rails will mount to both the NAS and to your rack, and will make it slidable so you can slide it out for easier access, and also of course rack mountable. So definitely consider that if you plan on using this in a rack. I will run through how to actually install those in another video, so make sure you check that out on how to actually fit those. But for now, that is it for this video. Hope you found it useful. Make sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Ciao for now.